technology you need. We've been talking a lot about automation, robotics, we've been talking about AI, big data, analytics, predictive. All this is there. Mauritius is quite aware of this. And we're going to talk about it more. But how do we go about adopting and integrating those processes for customer experience? That's the most important. So from my part, that would be my input in terms of us ensuring that this message is going through. When it comes to transformation, this has been our agenda for the last 3-4 years in Mauritius, and it coincides a lot with what Institute has been doing, thereby our association, and we look forward for a longer term association, and we're confident we can move that further to the regional, I would say, countries. And by the way, it's one of the reasons why we're going to have some guests and participants from African countries in that conference. Paramount being present in Africa, in about 4 countries, so we are inviting our customers to be part of it, because those kind of initiatives are not the classical conferences on digital transformation, etc. It's more like a concrete happening someplace, how things happen, how we can make things happen. So we're looking forward for a great conference and looking forward to you all there. Thank you.
Industry 4.0, or otherwise known as the Fourth Industrial Revolution, originated in 2011, where Chancellor Merkel from Germany decided to redefine how Germany could get better advantage in the manufacturing sector. Since then, it has taken a life on its own to impact every sector of the industry, whether you're manufacturing or not manufacturing. I think the key attribute of Industry 4.0 is that it covers the physical, the digital, and the biological. It become one of the most defining industrial revolution we will ever have. It requires a different mindset to approach, right? The mindset of growth, that we don't give up, that we put human centricity in all this, because the challenges is, like any other businesses, we want things faster, cheaper, and if possible, greater margin, right? So because of that, they decide to go for digitalization, automation, and all that. But if that really helps you to grow, shouldn't we think of the customer experience, for example? And how do we provide better customer experience? Certainly not via autonomous robot, right? It requires human interaction. So I look at it very positively. The projects and the initiative that I think organizations in Mauritius, especially, and Africa in general, should undertake would be to focus more on how to engage the customer, how do we develop products that meet their lifestyle, how we deliver at any time, every time, right? How do we deliver services to them at 3 o'clock in the morning when people cannot sleep and they decide to do certain inquiry and transaction? How do we serve them with instant gratification, instant fulfillment of the service? So that's the challenge today. I will certainly invite everyone, whether you are from small, medium enterprises, or if you are from LLC, local, large companies, or even if you are individuals, right? You are either teaching faculty, you are a student, or you are a retiree. Because I believe by 2025, the landscape of the world will change. So why should you come, right? I think that is the elephant in the room. You will come because there are 12 case studies that we will show to you that summarize insights, how the concept of Industry 4.0 has been operationalized, internalized, and performance achieved. With this insight, you can go back then to revisit your business model, for those of you who are running businesses, or for those of you who are coming just for the sake of knowledge, to reflect upon, to see how you can help your family and your loved one to restructure your life plan, because it will certainly impact everyone. For those of you who plan very well, there will be a positive impact. For those of us who do not plan, I will leave it to you to come to the conclusion what will happen to you.